Now, if you look at number 2 right here, what kind of parabola is this? This would be a, well, it's y squared, so it would be horizontal. And now let me go ahead and just write this for your reference. Okay, and if you can write this at any time, that will be very encouraging. So just like the last question, we're looking at this equation, we compare and we say, hey, where's the vertex? For this case, the vertex would also be 0, 0, because you don't see anything being subtracted from the x or y. It's sideways, right? Horizontal parabola. And since the p-value or the 4p-value is positive, then we know it's a parabola that's horizontal and that opens to the right. Then we say, wait, hold on, what's the p-value? And we say, oh, you know what? 4p, it's equal to 8. 4p, it's equal to 8. So p is 2. P is 2. So by knowing the p-value, it basically unlocks everything because you would know the focus, since you know the picture, right? And then you know the directrix right here. Again, 2 units away. And then you know your endpoints of the directrix, the endpoints of the lattice rectum, because they are 2p units away from the focus. So meaning 4 units away from the focus. And you're done. So once you know the p, that's the key. That's the key. And now you go ahead and write down all these info. You're like, oh yeah, it opens to the right. The p-value is 2. The vertex is 0, 0. The focus it's 2, 0. The rectrix is x equals to -2. Axis of symmetry is y equal to 0. So if you say what is something that needs to be firmly stored in your head, I would say the original picture that I told you to take a mental snapshot. Okay, and also these equation, the forms, so that you know how to interpret them. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at number 3. Okay, we'll take a look at number 3. Number 3 and number 4, it's gonna have more spice, more flavors in it. So let's take a look at these two.